Let's explore 10 crazy things you can do with soursop. From spicy ice cream to homemade wine, this tropical fruit is full of surprises. If you're looking for wild, creative, and unexpected ways to use it, you're in for a treat. Let's dive in. If not, you're in for a treat. Soursop is this incredible tropical fruit with a flavor that's like a mix of strawberry and pineapple. Sounds amazing, right? Number 1. Soursop smoothies. Blend soursop pulp with some frozen bananas, a bit of coconut milk, and a splash of honey. Trust me, it's like a tropical vacation in a glass. The flavors meld together to create a refreshing and energizing drink that's perfect for any time of the day. Number 2. Soursop ice cream. Yes, you heard that right. Mix soursop puree with some condensed milk, a bit of cream, and voila, you've got the most refreshing ice cream ever. The creamy texture combined with the unique soursop flavor makes it a must-try dessert. Number 3. Soursop tea. This one's for my tea lovers out there. Brew soursop leaves with hot water, add a touch of honey, and you have a calming, aromatic tea that's perfect for winding down. It's not just delicious, but also packed with health benefits. Number 4. Soursop salad dressing. Think outside the bottle. Blend soursop pulp with olive oil, a bit of mustard, and some lemon juice. Drizzle it over your favorite salad, and prepare to be amazed. The tangy and sweet notes of soursop elevate any salad to gourmet status. Number 5. Soursop cocktails. Oh yeah, we're going there. Mix soursop juice with some rum, a splash of lime, and a little sugar syrup. It's the ultimate tropical cocktail. Perfect for parties or a relaxing evening, this drink will transport you to a beachside paradise. Number 6. Soursop sorbet. Blend soursop with a bit of sugar and freeze it. This is a guilt-free, refreshing dessert that's perfect for hot days. The natural sweetness of soursop makes it a delightful treat without the extra calories. Number 7. Soursop muffins. Add soursop pulp to your muffin batter for a fruity twist on your morning routine. It's a game changer. The subtle soursop flavor adds a unique twist to your regular muffins, making breakfast more exciting. Number 8. Soursop salsa. Dice up soursop with some tomatoes, onions, cilantro, and a squeeze of lime. This sweet and tangy salsa pairs perfectly with grilled fish or chicken. It's a fresh and vibrant addition to any meal. Number 9. Soursop pudding. Mix soursop puree with some chia seeds and a bit of coconut milk. Let it sit overnight and you have a delicious, healthy pudding. It's a nutritious and satisfying option for breakfast or dessert. And finally, number 10. Soursop jam. Cook soursop pulp with some sugar and a bit of lemon juice, spread it on toast, and you've got a breakfast that'll make you smile. The sweet and tangy jam is a delightful way to start your day. There you have it, foodies. 10 wild and wonderful ways to use soursop. Which one are you trying first? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tasty adventures.